How to make a property landing page in Command. You're first going to log into your Command, and on your dashboard on the left hand side you're going to scroll down to websites. You're going to click there, and then you're going to edit agent site, and then you're going to hit expert mode on the top right hand side. From there, you're going to see this quick start menu, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is the property landing page template. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to have your featured listing. So if you're doing an open house, you'd put that there. Let's go ahead. And it's going to pull up the MLS information. And then you can have page title. And I'm going to put welcome to our open house. But whatever the title is here, this is what is going to be the URL link as well. So if you want the URL link to be something else, this is what you'll put here. So I'm going to actually put it as the address of the property because that's what I want the URL to be. And you can see on the right hand side up here that it is generating the permanent link. Then if you want a custom image, I'm going to put the default listing image. And then I keep everything the same. I want it all, don't make any changes. It has, you can make changes here on the property title. You have the landing. These are like the widgets. And you can add different modules as well. So when you go to the bottom, so you basically have your open house landing page, and on the contact here where it says interested, let's talk, I actually changed that where it's the form. I changed it to say welcome to our open house or please sign in here. So you can edit it right here at this menu. And this is a little bit different at how it was a month ago. When Command made the update, it changed it a little bit, and I feel like you don't have as much editing tools. And then you can see it. So it says please sign in to our open house, and you can always change the title right here. So if you want it to say something else, you can change it here and then save it. And then that's the form that you can use. You can't change any of these areas here, but you can only change the title. So since I have that, I know it's not showing up here, but it will show up. You'll have the drop-down menu. And you can pick which one you have. And then if everything looks good from there, you'll click publish. And we basically created a, oh, I already have one. I already have this property already, so it's saying I can't have double. But after you have this, you can go back to the menu. Just click on Keller Williams up here. And it's going to take you to your website, your main website, and all the different pages on your website. And here's the property landing page here, 1051 Double B Trail. You're going to click on that. So once we click on it, you're going to click on the URL and it's going to take you to the live landing page. And so this will be your landing page when the people that come to the open house and scan the QR code, this is the page that they'll see. And when you scroll down, it'll say right here, please sign into our open house. And this is where they fill it out, and then they can write a message there. And when they submit it, you will receive a notification that you have received a new lead through Command. And if you mark it as a lead, it will automatically upload it into your database in Command. So you're going to highlight this and copy, and then we're going to go to Canva, and then you just sign into Canva. It looks like this, and you can get a free account. I have the paid version. I think it's like $100 a year. And so I use the QR code for welcome signs here, and then I also use them on the invitations when I'm door knocking. I make these into little postcards with the QR code, and I also have these inside the open house as well. This is thanks for popping by, and I have a little bag of popcorn, and I staple this on, and I use this as an invite to the open houses as well. And then on the flyers, these are the flyers that I print out and have at the open house. And then you can add a second page. And I have the QR codes here that I print out, and this is the size that I use to cut out and put on the open house signs for them to scan. Now to make a QR code, you're going to go to the menu and it says apps. And then you're going to scroll down. It says QR code. And then you're going to open. And then you're going to enter the URL of that landing page. And that's why I just copy and paste. And you're going to generate a code. And it generates that code for you. And then you can copy and paste that wherever you need it. So that's how easy it is to get a URL and make a QR code. So we were able to make a landing page for our open house. And you can also use this for all of your listings. It doesn't have to be just for your open house sign-ins. You can leave the verbiage as, contact me or interested like that. So I use this as all of my listing landing pages as well. And then you have the QR code that will take them to that page. And you can use the QR code for pretty much any page. You can have it go directly to your website, anywhere. So I hope you were able to make your landing page and your QR code. This is just a template that I used in Canva to make this open house flyer. And I hope you are having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.